Specialist Beauty Nation. Today's video, we're going on a date, so come with me as I get prepared. So I gotta wash my hair, jump in the shower, and do my face. So we're gonna start with the face first. I'm using the HER2 Beauty Bar Facial Moisturizer and Cleanser. And let's get started. So I'm gonna show you guys again what I've used. I've used this in the previous facial care video. I'm using the Creamy Cleanser by HER2 Beauty Bar that has the willow bark extract. I really love the effect that it has on my skin, and I'm using my rotating brush to help me cleanse, moisturize, and also massage my face. I really love this brush. It really get deep into the pores and give me a facial massage all together, and I love indulging in this one. So I don't know if you guys have one, put down in the comments what your experience is with your facial brush. I really like mine, and it really does a lot of wonders for my skin. So hopefully it works for you guys as well. So I'm gonna rinse it off with some warm water, and when you dry your face, ladies, make sure that you don't drag the towel across your face. I usually pat dry. As you can notice what I'm doing here, I'm patting dry my skin because you don't really want to overly scratch the skin, and sometimes these towels can be kind of rough. But I'm done with the cleansing part. My skin really feels nice and smooth and clean. Now I'm going to add some facial moisturizer, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Rub it between my hands and just apply it. And as I said in my previous video, I always try to rub upward. And so therefore you don't have issues with your skin kind of beginning to sag. I got a few moles, but that comes aging gracefully, so no problem. I embrace that. So now we got to take care of the teeth. You don't want to have bad breath on a date, ladies. So you want to brush your teeth, brush your tongue. You know the deal. I ain't got to tell you guys, but that's what I got to do next. I want to make sure that I clean my teeth nice and good, breath is smelling fresh and everything, so we won't have any issues. Now, this is my oldest her toothbrush. She got the fancy schmancy kind. I'll probably eventually invest in one of those, but right now we're using a typical brush, okay? So now that I've brushed the teeth and cleaned the face, I'm going to jump in the shower, wash my hair, shower, do some scaping, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to use the HER2 Beauty Bar hair care products. They have an argan and aloe shampoo and conditioner. So I'm taking care of business. You see I said hello, but you guys know I'm in the shower. And so I'm getting my hair washed. I'm going to do some scaping, ladies. I shave my pits. It's up to you, to each his own, but got to get that nice and smooth, and get that cleansed and also trimmed. And so therefore, making sure I get my hair washed and conditioned and ready to move to the next step. Okay, so I am done in the shower. I got my face done, my hair washed. I am ready to move to the next step. So this is a body butter, all natural. It has shea butter, it has coconut oil, it has tamanu oil, great for the skin, not too overly oily. I used it especially when I had breast cancer, when I was in radiation therapy, but now I use it as an all over body cream moisturizer. It is awesome. And as you can see, I'm putting some on my legs, making sure that the legs are nice and smooth and soft. Now, granted, this is a first date, so he ain't getting to these legs yet, ladies, but I still want to feel nice and smooth underneath. And as you can tell, it is not an oily type of butter. It absorbs into the skin, nourishes the skin. I call it my skin food. I really like it. Making sure I put some on my feet because I am wearing sandals today. So I want to make sure that my toes and feet are not ashy, and the legs and feet are good to go. So this is the deodorant that I use. It's by 7th Generation. It has no synthetic fragrances, no aluminum. It's non-irritating. It's plant-based 100%. I'm using the Morning Mountain fragrance. And they have their mission. I really like this product. It lasts all day. It's 100% plant-based. It has organic shea butter in it. So you can't go out there smelling, especially when you get nervous. I know sometimes people get nervous on a date, but you want to be fresh. So I also like to feel sexy underneath my clothes. And ladies, no matter what size you are, you know, whether you're fit or whether you're beautiful and curvy, it's nice to have a shaper. So I got my shaper. And then I love razorback bras and something with a little lift. These are the two fragrances that I'm choosing. I want to smell sexy, so this is the Paris Hilton Heiress. I love it. It's a fruity fragrance. And then the other one that I'm looking at is Pink Sugar. And let me know if you tried one of these two fragrances in the comments below, and let me know what your favorite fragrance is. So I think I'm going to go with the Heiress because I really like that one for today. Not saying anything on Pink Sugar. I'm not throwing shade because I like it too. But today I'm going to do I'm going to do the Heiress by Paris Hilton. So as you guys probably know, I told you I had breast cancer and I had radiation therapy. I lost some hair, but I did grow it back. It's to my shoulder now, but I'm going to add some extensions today for length. So this is what the actual extensions look like. I actually got a color number 4 in my hair. So for those ladies who, you know, you kind of want to do a medium brown, number 4 is what I have here. 2 was a little bit too dark, but I really like it. I got a flat iron to make it look nice and smooth. I'm also going to put a little bit of styling gel mousse to, you know, bring down the flyaways at the top of my head. So we're going to get it to go. Now these are one of the 3 outfits that I was looking at. So that's number 2. You just saw number 1, and this was number 3. Okay. So you guys in the comments, tell me which one you would have picked, and I'm going to reveal the winner. And this is the one I decided with. It's a high-waisted boot legged jean. This particular snappy, because it's a snappy, is a low cleavage, not too low. Okay, I ain't trying to disturb folks, and with a little choker. And this is what it looked like. It has the floppy sleeves. I really like it. It's kind of sexy, but not too sexy. But I really think it's cute. And so now let's put on some makeup, okay? And this is the No Blemish Powder makeup. I showed you this one in my last skincare video. I don't like to put a lot of makeup on. And you know, you kind of want to go and kind of be a little natural. You know, I mean, it depends on the person. Not knocking those who wear the makeup, because some of them are really cute. But for me, you know, I want to just keep it kind of simple. I'm also trying out a new eyebrow gel. I usually use a pencil, as you probably saw in my other video, and I'm having some fun with this one. It's kind of silly, but I fix it at the end, so believe me, you know, I'm not going out there looking crazy. You see how I put that top layer on? It's kind of crazy, but I'm going to fix it where, you know, it looks really nice and natural and not crazy, because I want to have engaging conversation with the date and not him looking at my crazy eyebrow, okay? So I'm going to fix it where it's nice and natural looking, just like I would do when I usually use my pencil. And then we're going to do, once I'm done with this eyebrow, trying to get it together, then I'm going to do the other side and do the finishing touches on that one. And then we will see the end result, you know, when I'm done with both of them. Shouldn't be too shabby, you know, but it's going to look nice. When I finish it, it's going to look really, really nice. So now we're going to move on to the eyeliner. If you see my eyebrows, I fixed them up, so it's not too bad. And I'm going to put just a light line on my waterline, nothing, you know, overbearing. I usually like a black liner or a blue liner because it tends to make my brown eyes pop when I wear, especially a blue liner. But today we're doing black, okay? And I'm going to finish the other eye with the eyeliner. And then I'm going to put a line on my lash line as well at the top. on both eyes. You know, nothing overbearing, just something to kind of, you know, shape the eyes with the line at the top and the line at the bottom. I'll let you see it. Not too bad. Trying to be kind of simple and cute. And I really like the way it came out. It's not too bad, you know. Like I said, not a lot of makeup for me. So now I'm going to be working on the lips. Oh, we're going to do the blush first. I'm sorry. And I'm using the Bare Minerals Medium Deep Blush. I put them on my cheeks. I really have high cheekbones. I put a little bit on my eye as an eyeshadow. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my chin. And then I'm still going to work on my hair. You probably won't see it in the video, but I will get that one done with my flat iron. So now we're working on lips, ladies. I did choose a brown liner, and then I'm following up the lip gloss. It's by Wet n Wild. It's one of those zodiac colors. I forgot, it's either the Leo one or the Capricorn, which I am neither sign, but I like the colors. And tell me if you like this particular color. If you go back to my other makeup video tutorial, I tried both of those colors on. I really like this one, so we're gonna rock this one today. And like I said, I am going to flat iron and put the gel and everything on to smooth everything down. So let's get out of here and get in the car. Okay, I am headed out, so I will let you know how it goes once everything is all said and done. I'm glammed up. It's hot in this car, even though it's only 70 degrees outside, so we'll see what happens. So this is what my final looks look like. It was hot in that car, okay? I had to cut the air on, plus I didn't want to open the windows. Gang, I am here now. As you can see, there's Panera Bread right there. I don't know if you can actually see it, but I was a little late, but guess what? So was he. So we'll see how it goes. I will definitely keep you posted, okay? So we did finally meet up. We got our Green Passion smoothies from Panera, and then we went over to this beautiful park. I absolutely love it. You'll get to see some of the sceneries. So just to give you a little background on my date, I actually grew up with him back in our old neighborhood. We haven't seen each other since we were 17, which was about 32 years ago. And I actually was on a dating site, and we saw each other. We was like, hey, don't I know you? Don't I know you? And we have just been vibing ever since, and this is kind of like our reconnection type date, but we had a great time. We laughed it up. Our families know each other, so we kind of have a background and a foundation, and it went really well. So I will keep you guys posted. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos, including the follow-up video. And I will see you guys, Ageless Beauty Nation, next time. Take care.